Welcome to our AutoCAD tutorial channel. Today we are going to explore the difference between two essential drawing tools in AutoCAD, Line and Polyline. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, this video will help you understand the unique features and application of each tool. So line with a command of L spacebar. A line in AutoCAD is a single straight segment that can be drawn between 2 points. Each line segment is a separate object, allowing you to modify it individually. So you can move, delete, or change the properties of each line independently. This makes ideal for a simple draft and creating basic outlines. So to create a line, use command L spacebar or go to the drawing tools. You can see the line is the first at the left. So just click the line or use command L spacebar. Each line segment is separated object, like they can be moved. You can see is exploded independently. So you can move, you can delete it, you can change the line properties. So the line of each 2 points, like of 2 points, cannot be the same with, they are not sharing the same properties with each other. So a polyline, on the other hand, is a single object. Like the O is a single object composed of multiple connected line or arc. So you can create a line. So let's create a line. So create an arc. To create an arc, press A spacebar. So you can see the arc. So the arc will be continuous, and you can also continue the line by adding a line with a command L spacebar. Note, all segments share same properties like layers, color, and line type. So lines are preferred for creating complex shape, boundary, outline, or parts that need to be edited as a unit. You can also use polyline to create a curve and axis. So if you are to compare the two, so what is the main difference between line and polyline? Line are individually segments, while polyline are single objects with multiple connected segments. So that's just all about line and polyline. You can go through it. The more you go, the more you know. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks.